Ever spent hours wrestling with hardwood, only to realize you're fighting your tools instead of the material? We've all been there. Woodworking is an incredible art, but without the right gear, it turns into a frustrating chore. Whether building custom cabinets or weekend garage shelves, the secret to a flawless finish lies in your arsenal. Today, we're diving into 20 genius woodworking tools on Amazon, guaranteed to level up your workshop. From high-torque powerhouses to precision joinery jigs, these tools are designed to save time, eliminate mistakes, and make your projects look professional. Clear off your workbench, grab your safety glasses, and let's get into the gear every serious woodworker needs to own. Let's kick things off with the heartbeat of any modern shop, the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill/driver kit. You cannot build anything without a reliable drill, and this DeWalt model strikes the perfect balance between raw power and comfort. Operating on their 20-volt max platform, it delivers consistent torque for drilling dense hardwoods without bogging down. The compact design lets you squeeze into tight cabinet carcasses effortlessly. Next, when you need to cut complex curves, the Makita cordless jigsaw is a lifesaver. Cutting curves with a subpar jigsaw usually means tear out. Makita engineered this tool with a variable speed control dial, allowing you to adjust cutting speed based on wood density. The toolless blade change is incredibly fast, and the built-in dust blower keeps your cut line perfectly clear. To finish edges perfectly, you need the Bosch Colt palm router. While large routers are great for heavy material removal, this compact beast is what you want for edge profiling and inlay work. It fits perfectly in one hand, giving unprecedented control. With its microfine depth adjustment, you can dial in your exact bit height to the fraction of a millimeter. If the Bosch palm router is your scalpel, the DeWalt Plunge router is your heavy-duty broadsword. When carving deep mortises or routing large templates, you need a plunge mechanism. DeWalt's plunge base operates butter smooth, allowing you to lower the spinning bit directly into the center of the wood safely. The soft start feature is a massive bonus, preventing that aggressive twisting motion upon startup. Sanding is nobody's favorite job, but the Makita Random Orbit Sander makes it significantly less painful. The genius lies in its dual motion, spinning in a circle while oscillating in tiny ellipses, eliminating dreaded swirl marks. Makita's highly efficient dust collection system through the pad keeps your sandpaper from clogging and extends its life, leaving a glass-like finish. When you need to aggressively remove material quickly, like flattening a rough-sawn slab, the WEN Belt Sander is your workhorse. Unlike the finesse of an Orbit sander, this tool is purely about rapid stock removal. WEN packed this machine with a heavy-duty motor driving the belt at a blistering pace. The lock-on power switch is a godsend for long, repetitive sanding sessions. Bringing rough lumber down to the exact thickness is critical, and the DeWalt thickness planer is the gold standard for home shops. Buying rough-sawn lumber is cheaper, so this machine pays for itself fast. Its 3-knife cutter head operates at 10,000 revolutions per minute, delivering an incredibly smooth finish. The genius automatic carriage lock significantly reduces snipe, ensuring your boards stay perfectly flat. The table saw is the centerpiece of any shop, and the Skil portable table saw delivers high-end features without destroying your budget. Whether ripping longboards or cutting dados, accuracy is everything. Skil integrated a rack and pinion fence system, meaning the fence stays perfectly parallel to the blade. This entirely eliminates dangerous binding, keeping you perfectly safe while delivering straight cuts. For perfectly clean crosscuts, the Metabo HPT sliding compound miter saw is a game changer. It excels at cutting boards to length and creating complex bevels. The sliding rail system allows the blade to pull forward and chop through incredibly wide boards. Metabo HPT engineered this saw with a highly accurate laser marker, eliminating frustrating guesswork from your layouts completely. Breaking down massive plywood sheets on a table saw is dangerous for a single person. That's where the Makita track saw completely changes the process. This tool is a precision circular saw that locks onto an extruded aluminum rail. You simply lay the track on your pencil mark, plunge the saw, and push. The rubber edge provides straight, splinter-free cuts every single time. Many beginners overlook the bandsaw, but the WEN 9-inch bandsaw opens up a new world of woodworking. It's the ultimate tool for cutting swooping curves, resawing thick lumber, and cutting intricate joints. WEN's compact model fits perfectly on a benchtop, but offers a spacious throat depth. The continuous loop blade creates a straight downward cutting force, safely pinning wood to the table. If you want to create beautifully contoured objects, the Jet Benchtop Wood Lathe is your gateway. Wood turning is a highly addictive craft for creating custom table legs or polished wooden bowls. This Jet model is incredibly sturdy, absorbing vibrations for a smooth experience. It features easy speed adjustments, allowing you to start slow for rough logs and crank up the RPMs later. When building cabinets incredibly fast, the Kreg pocket hole jig is an absolute must-have. Traditional joinery takes years to master, but pocket holes give you a rock-solid mechanical joint in literal seconds. The jig guides your drill bit at an exact angle, creating a stepped hole. You just apply some wood glue, drive in the screws, and your joint is instantly secure without clamping. If you are edge gluing multiple boards to create a dining table, alignment can be a nightmare. The DeWalt Biscuit joiner solves this by cutting a precise slot into the edges of your boards. You insert a compressed wooden biscuit along with glue, and the boards lock together in perfect vertical alignment. DeWalt's dual rack and pinion fence ensures perfect precision. You might think a hand drill is all you need, but when you require perfectly perpendicular holes or use massive Forstner bits, the WEN Drill Press is non-negotiable. Drilling a straight hole by hand is nearly impossible, but this cast iron machine ensures absolute accuracy. With variable spindle speeds, you can slow it down for large bits to avoid burning the wood completely. Let's take a brief step back from power tools. The Stanley No. 4 hand plane is a staple of traditional woodworking and remains absolutely essential. Power sanders generate dust and noise, but a well-tuned hand plane quietly shaves off ribbons of wood, leaving a surface smoother than sandpaper ever could. It is the perfect versatile size for smoothing boards and chamfering edges cleanly. Every woodworker knows you can never have enough clamps. The Irwin quick grip bar clamps are essentially a second set of hands. The genius of these clamps is the one-handed trigger mechanism. When desperately trying to hold two slippery pieces of wood together, you can easily grab and tighten this clamp single-handedly. They apply massive holding pressure without denting freshly sanded projects. While your standard drill makes holes, the Milwaukee Tool M18 impact driver is what you need for driving heavy fasteners. When driving 3-inch screws into framing lumber, a standard drill will cam out. This impact driver combines rotational force with fast concussive blows, driving lag bolts with zero reactive torque on your wrist. It dramatically speeds up the assembly phase of any heavy project. Once your piece is built and sanded, leave your mark. The LaserPecker 2 Laser Engraver adds incredible personalization to your woodworking. Instead of massive stationary laser beds, this handheld unit comes directly to the wood. Instantly engrave your custom logo, intricate artwork, or a personalized message onto cutting boards and furniture right from your smartphone, keeping crisp, high-resolution details in every single burn. Finally, measure twice. Cut once is the golden rule, and the Bosch Blaze Laser Distance Measure brings maximum accuracy to layout planning. Forget flimsy tape measures that bend or snap back. You simply point the laser, click a button, and get a measurement accurate down to 1/8 of an inch. Whether figuring out crown molding or cabinet dimensions, it eliminates human error entirely. And there you have it, 20 absolute game changers that will transform how you approach woodworking. From the heavy stock removal of the DeWalt thickness planer to the pinpoint accuracy of the Bosch laser measure, investing in the right tools means less time fighting materials and more time creating. Which of these genius Amazon finds are you adding to your cart first? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to smash that like button Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Keep your chisels sharp, your workspace safe, and I will see you in the next video.